Welcome back to another episode of our motivational audio series with Tony. Today we're going to explore unlocking the power of self-discipline. Self-discipline is a powerful force that can change your life and propel you towards personal and professional success. It's the ability to control your impulses, desires, and actions in order to achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life. We will explore what self-discipline is, how it differs from motivation, the benefits it brings to personal and professional growth, and the correlation between self-discipline and positive personality traits. We will also discuss practical tips and techniques on how to be disciplined. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of self-discipline for a better life. What is self-discipline, and how does it differ from motivation? Self-discipline, at its core, is the ability to control our impulses, emotions, and actions in order to achieve our goals and live in accordance with our values. It's about making conscious choices and resisting the temptation to give in to short-term gratification. While motivation is a powerful driving force that can help us take action and make progress, it's often fleeting and unreliable. Self-discipline, on the other hand, is a skill that can be developed and maintained over time, providing a more consistent and sustainable source of energy and focus. The main difference between self-discipline and motivation is that motivation relies on external factors, such as rewards or praise, while self-discipline comes from within. A person who is motivated may be driven by the desire for recognition or the fear of failure, whereas a person who is self-disciplined is driven by their own values and personal principles. In short, motivation can help you get started, but self-discipline is what keeps you going even when the going gets tough. There is a strong correlation between self-discipline and the development of positive personality traits. People who possess self-discipline are more likely to exhibit qualities such as perseverance, responsibility, and adaptability. Let's take a closer look at some of the positive character traits that are developed through self-discipline. How do you build self-discipline? First, identify your goals and values. Start by reflecting on your long-term goals and the values that drive them. Evaluate your current self-discipline. Assess your current level of self-discipline by observing your daily habits and behaviors. Develop a plan. Create a concrete plan to improve your self-discipline, including specific actions and timelines. Implement your plan. Begin working on your plan, focusing on one area of self-discipline at a time. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Seek support. Connect with others who share your goals and can provide encouragement and accountability. Practice patience. Remember that building self-discipline is a gradual process that requires consistent effort and patience. Self-discipline plays a critical role in goal setting, as it enables you to stay committed to your goals and persevere through challenges. By developing self-discipline, you become better equipped to set realistic goals, prioritize tasks, and maintain focus on what's truly important. Moreover, self-discipline helps you develop the resilience needed to bounce back from setbacks and keep pushing forward, ultimately increasing your chances of success. Self-discipline has a significant impact on mental health and well-being. By cultivating self-discipline, you learn to manage your emotions more effectively, leading to improved emotional intelligence and overall mental health. Additionally, self-discipline can help reduce stress and anxiety, as it enables you to take control of your life and make choices that align with your values and goals. This sense of control and self-determination contributes to greater life satisfaction and well-being. That wraps up today's episode of Unlocking the Power of Self-Discipline. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends and family. And remember, self-discipline is a powerful force that can change your life for the better.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.